Reading books has always been a passion for me, whether it is for entertainment or learning. You tend to learn either a lot from professionals who've already been on that journey or also from great writers who open up your mind, whether they talk about fiction or whether they talk about the world in general. In this video, I've put together a discussion on 5 books which have helped me immensely in my marketing journey. These books deal with various aspects of business and marketing, and in my view are a must read for both marketing aspirants as well as experienced professionals in both business or marketing. Hi, I'm Abhishek Jhingan, and on this channel we talk about various aspects of marketing and business strategy which helps us learn on how to grow brands and grow businesses even further. The first book that I'd like to discuss is Ogilvy on Advertising. Ogilvy, of course, is one of the stalwarts, one of the legends of the advertising world. He has a very frank and forthright manner of speaking. काफ़ी opinionated भी हैं. So sometimes you feel that his ideas are coming out very strong. But you also sense an honesty, and the man really shares what he feels about advertising and communication. The best part I liked about this book was that he's very clear. His mantra is advertising that sells. So you get a clear idea through great examples and world-class brands. You figure out how this great man thought, how he created big campaigns and built huge brands. This book is essential for everyone in marketing because advertising in a way is the heart of marketing promotion. If you can understand how advertising and communication works, it helps a great deal, not just in dealing with creative stakeholders like advertising companies, but also in understanding how advertising works and how communication works. This I would advocate to all those who are in the field of marketing and communication. The next book is a book on strategy called Playing to Win. This has been written by the former head of P&G, which is A.G. Lafley, and also Roger Martin, who is an academician. Unlike other books which talk about the technical aspects of strategy, this is a fairly simplified version of how strategy can be created. Please do look at the 5 questions model that they have. It really encompasses every part of strategy. आप strategy को समझ सकते हो और उन पहलुओं पे आप focus कर सकते हो जो important हैं. And you can use that for corporate strategy, and you can also use it at a smaller level for your brand strategy, and it really works well. I would advise this book for anyone who's in the corporate world, whether they are beginners or they are stalwarts. The third book is the book Rework by Jason Fried and David H. Hansen. This is a highly contrarian kind of book. It talks about the future of work. It actually asks us to reimagine how we work, whether it's in an office or in our business. It goes against the norm and it talks about issues like ASAP is poison, meetings are toxic. So literally it shakes you up. We all have certain thoughts on how jobs are, how work is, how we are supposed to behave at work. But this book, Rework, really makes you question everything, and you should question everything. It actually, in my view, is painting a picture of how the future of work is going to look. So this is a good book for everyone who's either doing their own business, thinking of starting a business, or also those who are in a job and are thinking of other options. The fourth book is a book by Donald Miller. It's called Building a Story Brand. In this book, Donald Miller tells us as businesses to just simply clarify our message. He says, all the customer wants to know is that what does your business do and how can that business help him or her. That's all that Donald Miller says. Get this right, make it very easy for the customer to understand both these things, and a third, how can he or she engage with your company. डोनाल्ड मिलर कहते हैं कि ये सिंपल चीज ही सारी कंपनीज बताती नहीं, ऐसा लगता है कि वो शर्माते हैं. तो लेट द कस्टमर नो सिंपली इन योर कम्युनिकेशन व्हाट डज योर बिजनेस डू, how the business can help the customer, and how the customer can buy your service or product. Make that very, very clear. This book also talks about the 7 elements of great storytelling, and there are also several beautiful nuggets in the book which are of use. This was the best book that I have read in 2023. और हम में से जो भी चाहता है कि उनकी communication simple हो, communication that gives results, should read this book. The 5th book is Contagious by Jonas Berger. All of us know in marketing कि सबसे बढ़िया टाइप ऑफ मार्केटिंग इज वर्ड ऑफ माउथ मार्केटिंग. In this book, Contagious, the author discusses the science behind word of mouth marketing. How do you actually make your brand messages go viral? There are 6 principles of contagiousness that are discussed in this book, and it's definitely a very valuable read. A pro tip, last part इस book का मत छोड़िएगा, उसमें ये सारे 6 principles एक टेबल में है एपिलॉग में. Don't miss this book out. Again, probably the second best book I've read in recent times. These are 5 books which can really help you in your marketing journey. They are interesting as well as they give us a lot of valuable lessons. क्या ऐसी कोई बुक्स हैं जो आपने भी पढ़ी हैं? कमेंट्स में प्लीज डालिए ये. Are there any books that you want us to do further reviews on? Please do comment below. Also, please don't forget to like and share this video. In case you have not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button.